Hi there, if you're new in Veo 3 and want to create stunning video using Google Veo 3, this video is for you. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button and hit the bell icon so you don't miss important tech videos like this. Let's dive in. You can get access of your Veo 3 in anywhere. I got it by Gemini. Here is Veo 3. If you don't know how to generate video prompt, you can use ChatGPT. I use ChatGPT to generate prompt. Here I will generate. I got a little idea before: a girl dancing in the middle of Times Square at night in the rain. The video tone will be cinematic and emotional, and ask ChatGPT to generate the prompt. What it gave me: a young girl dancing graceful in the heart of the Times Square at night, rain, whatever it, but it will be nice. We add the prompt in here. That's fantastic. We got this video from Veo 3. It's 8 seconds long. Click here to download the video. It will be downloaded to our computer. I again asked ChatGPT to please make 2 more different prompts for 2 different videos. You can make one for a cat dancing and one for corgi dog dancing. Here is the prompt generated for cat dancing. We add here for create video for cat dancing. It may take 1 to 2 minutes to generate the video. I will use them in my social media and that's why I also record video, as you guys can understand how you can generate videos. It's easy, but it's really tough for us to generate the prompt, so that's why we take the help from ChatGPT to generate prompt for generating better videos. Let's see how it's generate. Let's add another prompt that I generated for a dancing corgi. It will take also 1 to 2 minutes to generate the video. So jumping corgi. I can't generate more videos because I have only 3 video quotas. So I think now you can generate the prompt and create a nice high quality video using Veo 3. Thank you very much.